Imagine spending all day filming, then opening the edit and seeing this. This is the same person, but one of these shots is lying to you, and it's probably the one you're using. You're not photogenic, your face is being distorted, and I'm about to show you why. Most people assume this is a them problem. They think their jaw looks weird, their nose looks bigger, or one side of their face is just off. But if that were true, you'd look weird in real life too, and you don't. Your face isn't changing, the perspective is. And there are only two things that control how your face looks on camera: distance from the camera and focal length. And for beginners, focal length is just a fancy way of specifying if you're using a 24mm lens, 35, and so on. The smaller the focal length, the wider your face will appear in close-up shots. So something like a 17mm lens exaggerates those features. Your nose will feel bigger, your face feels wider, whereas if you move to a longer lens, 35 to 50, things start to normalize, and around 50, that's what closely matches what the human eye sees in the real world. And once you get into 70 to 100mm, the face becomes more compressed, more balanced, and more flattering. Nothing about the face changed, only the perspective did. Now here's where things get interesting. Wide lenses aren't bad, they're powerful. They exaggerate depth. Anything close feels invasive, anything far away feels pushed back. That's why filmmakers use wide close-ups when they want someone to feel uneasy, anxious, or disoriented. It's also why real estate agents are able to make rooms look bigger than they really are. Cinematographers use this distortion on purpose. Creators accidentally use it all the time. If you're filming a close-up of someone's face and you want it to look flattering, stick to 70 to 100mm. That range gives you a natural compression, balanced proportions, and a look that people are comfortable watching. But what if you're in a tight space and you can't use a 70 to 100mm lens? Here's the key thing that most people miss. Most distortion doesn't come from wide lenses, it comes from wide lenses up close. So if you're using a 24mm, that's fine, just step back and take a medium shot instead of a tight close-up. You're not photogenic, you've just been using the wrong perspective. And once you understand this, you can control how people feel when they look at you through a lens. Now that you know how to look it on camera, let's solve the next problem: talking to the camera without feeling awkward. If you want to speak on camera with more conviction, definitely check out this video, and I'll see you there.